Guys, oh my gosh, I got Delta Executor, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide. So let me just join a game just so you guys can see it actually works. And I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this is super cool, so let's just see if it works. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it onto your device. So if you guys want to download it, keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, we got all the options there, so this is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device. So as you can see, we have all the settings here, so this is super cool. So if you guys want to get Delta Executor, now's the time. I'm going to show you how to get it, so let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and we're going to go over to this website. So it's called bloxzy.com. So once you're on this site, you'll be able to download it. So there's going to be a button that says Get Delta, so just press that, and you can read all about it. So as you can see, we have like 2 million downloads, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to press the button that says Get Delta. So now it's just going to ask for our username. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here so you can see. So I'm going to press Continue. So before it installs the entire device, it will ask us to confirm who we are. So you see it says user found. So now it says import Delta Executor. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's just pick the script. So this doesn't matter. So we're just going to wait for this to load. As you can see, API connecting. So I'm just going to let it load up. So as you can see, it's working. So we'll just see if this goes through, and we should be good to go. So you can see it says API connecting. All right, so now it says I'm not a robot, so you just want to go ahead and press that, and we'll see if it goes through. So it should work, so let's see if it goes through. And yes, it worked. So be sure to try it out, guys. This is super cool. So that's how I get Delta Executor for your device. So this works 2026. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. So, I mean, if you guys want to download it, there you go. This is so amazing. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So this is super wild. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, have fun. There's no jailbreaker computer needed. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool. So if this video works to you, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super wild. So all the settings are here, guys. It's crazy stuff. So I'm going to see you guys in another one, but yeah, try it out for yourself.